Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, I'm going to be telling you about my slime shop. So guys, I'm officially making a slime shop. It's not going to be like an Instagram slime shop, which I just sell the slimes to my friends in school, This is actually going to be a proper, legit eBay slime shop. It is. The slime shop is called Lily's Slimy Slime. I'm setting it up right now actually, so it isn't on there yet, but in like 2 or 3 weeks it will be up on eBay or something. Yeah, sorry. Sorry about those red marks. It's because I was like that. So hate when you lean on your face and then you get like a red mark, and then like you try to do something and they look really ugly. Anyway, back onto topic. All my slimes will be, the large will be £3, maybe a little bit more. Medium will be £2.50, maybe a little bit more, and the smalls will be £2, not more, because the smalls are quite small. So yeah. If you live further away from me, there will be a shipping price of £1. Yeah, they'll come in a yellow shipping mailer with bubble wrap inside. It'll also come with a little goodie bag. It'll come with a little pouch with 3 heart conversation sweets. I do have 1 bag ready. I'll obviously send that the day that I'll obviously like set it up, that little bag, the day that I send it to you, because obviously we don't want the sweets to go off, so and you'll also get a little baggie of borax, and you'll also get a thank you note handwritten by me, and you'll also get a piece of paper saying how to use the borax if your slime gets sticky. Yeah. In one of my other videos, I am going to set up a package and show you what your package will look like once you order off my eBay account. I don't know what slimes I'm going to be putting on there at the moment, but I have got a piece of paper of all the slime supplies I will be using. The total comes up to £37. So yeah, and that's only for one of each thing. So I hope this slime shop does well, because I will need a lot of money, which sounds a bit bad, but like I need to make money, like profit, So yeah, I will do a restock with me video every 5 weeks. No, not every 5 weeks. That's more than a month. Every 3 weeks. I'm not sure I will do it every 3 weeks, but I will do it every now and then, like a quick restock with me video. So yeah, if you'd like to see like me restocking and making all my slimes for my slime shop on eBay, definitely comment down below. Yeah, I would have done this video live, so I could have like heard your guys's opinions on me doing a slime shop. But as I told you, can't go live for another 80 odd days. So yeah, I think that's all. Let me just check that I got everything. Yeah, I think I got through everything. Comment down below what slimes you want to see, like bread slimes, clay slimes. I'm not going to be doing any cloud slimes, by the way, because cloud slimes are so hard to do unless you really want an horrible cloud slime. They're not going to be on my shop. So if you do want a cloud slime, definitely go to a different slime maker. I keep on yawning, sorry, kind of rude of me. will still be doing makeup videos on this channel, but not that often anymore. I still do love makeup, guys. Don't worry, I'm not giving up makeup. I love makeup still. It's just I'm really getting into slime again. So yeah. Sorry, I just covered that. So yeah, I think I got through everything. That's all for today, I'm guessing. I'm gonna end the video here, edit this video. It should be up in about an hour after you've watched this video, if you watch it straight away. There should be another video out on my channel now, say about now. Yeah, because I'm going to do a little restock with me, a little one, because I don't know if my slime shop is going to go well. Yeah, I really wish I could go live right now, because I would ask you what prices I should sell these slimes for, but I can't. So yeah, I think that's all for now. So thanks for watching, like, comment and subscribe, and bye.